Guys, I'm getting ready to practice SMAW with 7018 1/8 inch rods, 110 amps, 62.6 volts, using the Cinder SD4050 Pro welder and cutter. It's a 10-in-1. Guys, this thing does everything. It's a nice machine, I'm telling you. It's got MMA, separate MIG, CO2 100%, argon 100%, mixed gas, pulse MIG, HF TIG, plasma cutter, flux core, back to the MMA. But just it's got memory. You can set it so whenever you ready to do the same thing over again, it's on memory. You just hit the memory and boom, you go right back to where you was at. So it shows you I'm at 220 volts, MMA. Beautiful machine. I love this machine. I truly love it. But I'm practicing. I got 3 weeks for the SMAW test, so I've got to practice all I can. I've been practicing. This is what I've been practicing earlier, so I'm going to try to add on to that, to be honest. So we're going to see how this goes. And again, like I said, I'm trying to learn. You can already see the slag is just falling off. Look at that. That's a good thing. And make sure it's clean before I start the next pass. Man, I love this machine. This Cinder machine it's awesome. It's awesome for beginners and professionals. And I am not getting paid for this video. I am not incorporated. I'm just showing you. I'm happy with this machine. This is what I practice with before I go to school. And again, it's just trying to fall off, see? Just roll across it, flag's falling off. I'm getting the tips, that way I know that it's all off. But it just comes right off, guys. Man, I love this machine. Love it. I'm going to change my the rod. Now I got a line right here. I'll use it. I'm just showing you how good this Cinder SD4050 works. And again, I am not a professional by any means. Well, you can probably tell by my welding. the slag is starting to fall off all by itself again. It's rising. Probably use this here instead of the hammer. You can. It's all off, guys. Just go and chip to make sure it's all off. We're gonna start again. It's supposed to be clean. Therefore, try to make it clean. Wipe off my lens. Try this again. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Love this machine. Look at this, guys. Look at this. That. And again. There it is. Like so. The Semder, guys, if you're a beginner or a professional, Semder SD4050 Pro, it's for you. Absolutely love this machine. Absolutely love it. And the slag is starting to rise off of it again. We get probably 3 or 4 more runs and I'll be completed with this here piece. See it just popping right on. Look, it all came off already. Just vibrations. I may be able to make one more pass with this, maybe. Couple more passes, guys. You should be good. Whoa. There's one or two more passes, guys, and we'll be done. It's already starting to lift. Slag. Got maybe 2 more passes out there. See how easy it starts for me, and again, I'm a beginner. Going to Ivy Tech and Bloomington. Try to pull down enough for this stuff is already in. I'm not being patient. I could be patient, and this stuff will just fall off by itself. Trying to get this. I think it might be my last one. Yep, I believe it is. We're going to clean this up and see what it looks like, guys. I'll show you what I got. This right here is what I got, guys. And again, give me all of your criticism, whatever you need to give me. Like I say, I'm trying. I'm trying my best. Let's see, I still got some slag left on it. In the center somewhere, but I don't think it looks too bad myself. Now, but I'm not professional. You guys will have to tell me that. How it done. Looks like a big hole, but it's not. It's brown stuff in there. Need to get that cleaned out. But tell me your thoughts. I need to know. Please like and share. Please like and share. I'm going from a beginner welder to a certified welder. I will be graduating May 12th of 2026 at Bloomington Ivy Tech. So I've already got one certification in TIG, which was from the summer and the very first fall class. I picked TIG up really good, really fast. So therefore I got my AWS TIG certification. So please follow me, share. Please get all your friends to watch me. Because this is going to be a great page, I'm telling you. Criticize all you want. I need it. I need to know what I'm doing wrong. I need to know what I'm doing right. If I don't know, I can't learn. So help me learn.